All right, welcome back to another National PSI Real Estate Exam Prep. And today we're going to talk about property valuation methods. So we're talking about appraisals. And more specifically, we're going to go over 5 questions with their explanations as to why they are the answer. Question number 1. The term reconciliation refers to which one of these? Analyzing and weighing the findings obtained by the different approaches to value to arrive at a final estimate of value. Typically, the 3 distinct methods of valuation yield varying results. An examination of these results is necessary to identify the most accurate, rational, and dependable method for delivering the ultimate valuation. Within the cost approach, calculating depreciation and erosion of value for any reason is a key component. Identifying the most profitable single use of a property known as its highest and best use is crucial. However, determining the highest and best use is just one of the considerations in an appraisal before selecting a valuation method and proceeding with reconciliation. Question number 2. Which appraisal method uses a rate of investment return in estimating a property's value? The income approach. The income approach calculates a property's value by employing the investment return rate or the capitalization rate. The value is ascertained by dividing the property's annual net income, the NOI, by the capitalization rate. NOI divided by rate equals value. It's important to note that the capitalization rate is exclusive to the income approach and is not utilized in the cost approach or the sales comparison approach. Additionally, in the income approach, the gross rent multiplier is applied to estimate the value of properties such as residential units with 5 or more units, commercial or industrial buildings. Question number 3. The sales comparison approach to value is most important when estimating the value of an existing residence. The sales comparison approach determines a property's estimated value by contrasting the subject property with similar properties that have been sold recently. This method is often deemed the most dependable for valuing single-family homes due to the abundance of recent sales data. However, when it comes to valuing income-generating properties such as apartment complexes, retail spaces, or hotels, appraisers typically turn to the income approach. This approach is preferred for these types of properties because it focuses on the potential income that they can generate. Question number 4. In the income approach, all of these are considered when calculating net operating income, NOI, except debt service. When computing the net operating income, the NOI, debt service, which encompasses both principal and interest components of mortgage payments, is excluded. However, various operational costs are taken into account. These include management fees, property taxes, utility expenses, insurance premiums, and other expenditures necessary for property upkeep. These elements collectively contribute to the total operating expenses of the property. And question number 5. When estimating the value of property using the cost approach, all of these are considered by an appraiser except loss of value due to uncollected delinquent rent. In the income approach to valuation, the effective gross income, the EGI, of a property is influenced by the diminished value resulting from rent that remains unpaid and overdue. Conversely, When employing the cost approach, factors such as antiquated heating systems, the caliber of the initial materials and craftsmanship, and the impact of traffic noise are taken into account to assess the property's depreciation. This depreciation stems from both physical wear and tear and functional obsolescence. All right, this was 5 questions to help you pass your national PSI real estate exam. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe as we drop a new video every week to help you pass your national PSI real estate exam.